Today discuss about formulas. Powers and exponents. First one, a to the power of m. A is called base, m is called exponent. A is called base and m is called exponent. A power m equal to a into a etc. m times. A power n equal to a into a etc. n times. A power p equal to a into etc. p times. Example, 2 cube equal to 2 into 2. 2 is called base, 3 is called exponent. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. And again, 3 cube equal to 3 into 3. 3 is called base and 3 is called exponent. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Again, 2 power 5. 2 is called the base and 5 is called the exponent. 2 ni manam 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32. Next one, 3 power 6 equal to 3 into 6 times 1. 3 is called base and 6 is called exponent. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 243 into 3, 729. 729. Next one, a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Bases are equal. Addition to change in a to the power of m plus n. Multiplication change into addition. Addition to change into multiplication. Bases are equal. Bases are equal. Base A. Multiplication to change into addition. To change into addition. Two square into 2 power 5. 2 is the base, 2 is the base. Bases are equal. To multiplication, to change into addition. 2 to the power of exponents में याद चल 2 plus 5. 2 to the power of 2 plus 5 equal to 2 to the power of 7. 2 ने मो 7 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, into 2 64, into 2 equal to 128. Next one, 4 square into 4 cube. 4 is the base, 4 is the base. Bases are equal. To multiplication, to change into addition. 4 to the power of 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 equal to 4 to the power of 5, 4 to the power of 5. Again, 3 square into 3 cube. Base 3, base 3. To multiplication, to change into addition. Bases are equal. 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 equal to 3 to the power of 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 243. Next one, a to the power of m by a to the power of n. Bases are equal. Base a, base a. Division to change into subtract. A to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m minus n. Multiplication to change into addition. Addition change into multiplication. Division change into subtraction. Subtraction is change into division. Five to the power of 5 by 5 cube. Base equal to 5. Base equal to 5. Bases are equal. Division to change into subtraction. 5 to the power of 5 minus 3 equal to 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5 equal to 25. Next, 6 to the power of 4 by 6 cube. Base equal 6. Base equal 6. Bases are equal. Division to change into subtraction equal to 6 to the power of 4 minus 3 equal to 6 to the power of 1. 6 power 1 equal to 6. A power 1 equal to A. So 6 power 1 equal to 6. Next, 7 to the power of 5 by 7 cube. Base 7, base 7. Bases are equal. Division to change into subtraction. 7 to the power of 5 minus 3 equal to 7 square. 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 7 ja 49. 7 is the base, 2 is the exponent. 7 into 7, 7 7 ja 49. Next one, a power m whole power n. That means a power m into n. That means a to the power of mn. A power of mn. Two square whole cube. 2 square whole cube equal to 2 power 2 into 3. 2 power 2 3 ja 6. 2 power 6 means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32 into 2 equal to 64. Equal to 64. And again 4 square whole square, 4 square whole square equal to 4 to the power of 2 into 2 equal to 4 to the power of 2 2 ja 4. That means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 4 ja 256, 256. Next, fifth one, a power 0 equal to 1, any power 0 equal to 1. 3 power 0 equal to 1, 10 power 0 equal to 1, 100 power 0 equal to 1. Any power 0 equal to value మనకి 1, x power 0 1, p power 0 1, y power 0 value మనకి 1. Next one, a power minus 1 equal to 1 by a, or x power minus 1 equal to 1 by x, 1 by x. Two power minus 1 equal to 1 by 2, 10 power minus 1 equal to 1 by 10, 1 power minus 1 equal to 1 by 100, 1 by 100. Next one, a by b whole power m, a by b whole power m, a belongs to m, b belongs to m. మనకి m అనేది a కి చెందుతుంది, b కి చెందుతుంది. అంటే అర్థం అవుతుంది a to the power of m by b to the power of m, a to the power of m by b to the power of m. A belongs to m, b belongs to m. Suppose example 2 by 3 whole power 4, 2 belongs to 4 and also 3 belongs to 4, 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. So bases are not equal. If base sum of 2, base sum of 3, bases are not equal. 2 power 4 means 16, 3 power 4 means 81. 2 power 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 16. 3 power 4 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 81. Next one, a into b whole power m. Again, a belongs to m, b belongs to m. That equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Bases are not equal. Base sum of a, base sum of b. Bases are not equal. Bases are not equal. 2 into y whole square equal to 2 square into y square. 2 square into y square. 2 square means 2 2 ja 4, y square means y square. That equal to 4y square. Again 5 into x whole cube equal to, that equal to 5 cube into x cube. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. 125 x cube. one, a plus b whole square. Base equal to a plus b, 2 equal to exponent. That means a plus b into a plus b. 2 times exponent 2 got మనకి base లో 2 ను మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. a plus b into a plus b. First multiply a into a square plus a into b, ab. Next again this other b into a, bj or ab, plus into plus plus b into b, b square. a into a square plus a into b, ab. Next b into a, bj or ab, plus into plus plus b into b, b square. a square మనకి రెండు మనకి సేమ్ టర్మ్స్. ఇదే ab, ఇదే ab, టోటల్ 2ab ప్లస్ 2ab ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్. మనకి a ప్లస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా మనకి a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2ab ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్. దీనికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2a plus 3 whole square. Here a equal to 2a, b equal to 3. మరి a వాల్యూ ఏమో 2a, b equal to 3. Using formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Using direct formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. ఇక్కడ a means 2a, b means 3 whole square equal to a square means 2a whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a means 2a, b means 3 plus b square means 3 square. మనకి స్క్వేర్ అనేది 2 belongs to 2, a belongs to 2. 2 square means 4 a square plus 2 2 ja 4 4 3 ja 12 into a 12a. 3 square means 3 3 ja 9. మనకి దీని యొక్క వాల్యూ. దీని ఇంకోటి చేస్తే మెథడ్ 2. another method 2a plus 3 whole square equal to 2a plus 3 into 2a plus 3. 2a plus 3. First multiply 2a into 2a. 2 2 ja 4 a into a square. 4a square plus 2a into 3. 3 3 ja 6 6 into a 6a plus again 3 3 2 ja 6 into a 6a plus 3 3 ja 9. And again 2a into 2a equal to 4a square. 2a into 3 equal to 6a. 3 into 2a equal to 6a. 3 3 ja 9. 4a square మనకి సేమ్ టర్మ్స్, లైక్ టర్మ్స్, సజాతి పదాలు, లైక్ టర్మ్స్. టోటల్ అంతా మనకి 12a ప్లస్ 9. 4a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 12a ప్లస్ 9. మెథడ్ 2. ఇదేమో మెథడ్ 1, ఇదేమో మెథడ్ 2. first method again using formula system. Method to multiplication system. Any system same answer. 4a square plus 12a 9. ఈ method లోని 4a square plus 12a plus 9. Next one, 3x plus 4 whole square. Any method. Here a equal to 3x, b equal to 4. Using formula. A equal to 3x, b equal to 4 whole square equal to 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 4 plus 4 square. 3 square means 3 3s are 9x square plus 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24x 4 square equal to 4 4s are 60. This is the using the formula system. 9x square plus 24x plus 60. Next method, 3x plus 4 into 3x plus 4. 3x into 3x equal to 9x square. 3 3s are 9. X into x equal to x square. 9x square plus 3x into 4. 4 3s are 12x. Next again. 4 into 3, 12x plus 4 4 ja 16. 9x square same on like terms సజాతి పదాలు రెండు కూడా సేమ్ కాబట్టి ఈ టోటల్ ఎంత అవుతుందంటే 24x plus 16. ఇది మనకి మెథడ్ 1 మనకి 9x square plus 24x plus 16. మెథడ్ 2 కూడా సేమ్ 9x square plus 24x plus 16. Using మనం any method. Next one, a minus b whole square equal to a minus b into a minus b. A into a square, a into minus b minus ab. Again minus b into a, b or ab. Minus into minus plus b into b, b square. Must again a into a square, a into minus b minus ab. Minus b into a minus br minus ab. Minus into minus plus b square. A square ఇది మనకి లైక్ టర్మ్స్ minus ab టోటల్ ఎంత అవుతుంది minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. ఇది మనకి a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Homework here. First one, find the value 2 power 9. Find 3 square into 3 power 7. Third one, 10 power 8 by 10 power 6. Fourth one, 4 cube whole square. Fifth one, explain చేయాలి.